In this video, you'll learn how to export emails from Ionos using the webmail interface at mail.ionos.com. We'll go through it slowly and clearly so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to save a copy of your messages to your computer. This is useful if you want a backup, if you're changing providers, or if you just like having an archive stored locally. First, make sure you're signed into your Ionos email account in your web browser and that you're looking at the main mailbox view where you can see your folders on the left and your list of emails on the right. Give the page a moment to fully load so that all your messages are visible. The process begins by choosing which folder you want to export. Look at the list of folders on the left-hand side of the screen. These will usually include things like inbox, sent, drafts, and any custom folders you've created. Click once on the folder that you want to export. When you do this, the email list on the right will update to show only the messages from that folder. Now that you've selected the folder, the next step is to select all the emails inside it. Move your mouse into the list of emails and click on any single message. It doesn't matter which one, the goal is just to make sure the list is active and selected. Once you've clicked one email, use a keyboard shortcut to highlight everything in that folder. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and A together, written as Ctrl plus A. If you're on a Mac, press Command and A together, written as CMD plus A. After you use this shortcut, you should see that all the emails in that folder are highlighted or selected. That visual change is your confirmation that the selection worked. It's a good idea to quickly scroll through the list to confirm that every message is selected, especially if you have many pages of emails. In some layouts, the selection will apply to everything in that folder. In others, it might only apply to what's currently visible. If you notice that not everything is highlighted, repeat the shortcut after scrolling so that you're sure all messages are included in the export. With all the emails selected, you're ready to download them as a file. Look towards the toolbar area, usually along the top or upper right part of the mail interface. You should see an icon with 3 dots, often labeled as More. When you hover over it, click on that 3-dot icon to open a small menu of additional options. From the menu that appears, look for the option called Save as File. Click this option. Your browser will now ask where you want to save the export file on your computer, or it may automatically place it in your default downloads folder. Choose a location you'll remember and consider renaming the file to something meaningful like the folder name and today's date, so it's easy to identify later. Once the download is complete, you'll have a file containing the emails from that Ionos folder. You can keep this file as a backup or import it into another email program that supports the format. And that's all there is to it. Select the folder, select all the emails, and use the Save as File option to export them from Ionos Webmail.